Welcome to NanoFlow, your one-stop shop for image generating and access to 100 plus other AIs. First, let's go through the main thing about NanoFlow, which is the NanoBanana chat image generator. And we're just going to go with NanoBanana here, and I'm just going to give it a prompt. Click on send. Then NanoBanana is going to pick that up. It's going to create a crisp, really nice image for us. And then in the same conversation, we're going to be able to chat with it and ask for modifications. Let's ask it to make the product red. And it's going to pick up on all of the conversations that you have, and it's going to improve the image with every prompt to make sure that it's something that you are looking for. You can even add your own images and have NanoBanana edit those. You can tell NanoBanana your style, your brand voice, your brand colors, whatever you want to generate the best images for you. With unlimited conversations that you can have and unlimited images that you can create, NanoFlow comes in strong with a bunch of other AIs that you can use, including a video generator using DALL-E and even a standalone image generator where you can just create simple, non-chat based images. NanoFlow is extremely simple to use. After your purchase, you'll get your login details. You'll be able to log into this dashboard here. You'll have access to 24/7 support and training materials to help you get started with NanoFlow. And you're going to have all of these AIs here trained to help you succeed. And with our 30 days money back guarantee, NanoFlow is a no-brainer. Buy it, check it out. We hope you like it, and I hope to see you inside.